Hi everyone! For those that have not met me, my name is Kathy and I'm the owner of Viva Life Nutrition. We're gonna start something new. We're gonna teach you how we make everything that we create here in our kitchen. You guys can recreate them at home if you want and become a VIP member. So when I eat healthy, you can and you can do it at home. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to create our famous tea, Gummy Bear, which is loaded with nutrients, vitamin C, and antioxidants. So Gummy Bear has our lemon energy booster, which is gonna give you energy, and it has vitamin C. And it has our lemon tea, which is our lemon tea. Hopefully we have in the back. That's in our first cup. In our second cup, we pour our aloe vera, which is good for inflammation, helps us release all the retained liquid that we have in our body. And we're gonna pour it on the second cup. Then we are gonna grab our enhancers, which is to enhance the flavor of our loaded teas and to enhance our vitamin C as well. Bear has a strawberry and watermelon, so we're gonna grab both of them. Usually the darkest one goes on the bottom and the lightest one goes on the top, but they're basically the same color, so it doesn't really matter. Teaspoons, and we pour it on the first cup, and the lighter one goes on the third cup. We are gonna grab our cups and we brew them over hot water. That way we can release all of the properties of our teas and our herb meat, so you can get the most benefits. We're gonna stir it. You can either use the stirring, a regular spoon. I like this one. So usually when we pour it and there's two colors, you're gonna see the separation, but because this one is the same color, you're not gonna see it. The first cup, squeeze it in and we squeeze it. There you go. With water. And that's how you make our Gummy Bear tea.